Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok locked account. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok locked account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you'll enter to the window of TikTok and you click, here. Then this page of app info you click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.